Okay, this video is to set up easy. So you're going to make up your own data for these 4 different tasks. The first one, a school scheduling app, which has a 1D array called course names, which stores the names of courses offered, and 2D array course schedule to store the class times and instructors for each course. So let's do course names equals that. Let's do science, computer science, course schedule. It's a 2D array, and it wants times and instructors for each course. So the first course is science, Mr. Joannou, and time will be 11 AM. So I'm just going to do 11 like that. We'll do 24-hour clock. Computer science. Mr. Levin, and that lesson is at 2000. There we go. Done. That is the first task. The second task, a student grading system. Student names of students in a class. A 1D array called subject, and a 2D array called student grades. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, put it into Replit, and let's just work from here. So we're going to have student names. Let's have Joe, and let's have Declan, Noah, Brianna. There you go, there are student names. Now what we're going to do is create a 1D array for subject. I'm just going to take this because I'm lazy. I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to call it subject. We're then going to have a 2D array called student grades. Okie dokie. So I'm going to do student grades, and our 2D array, I don't know why it's just done that. Oh, that's because I haven't done equals. Okay, our 2D array will have a row. This row, we'll do it for science. This row, we'll do it for computer science. And inside of it, we're going to have the student grade. So Declan, for science, got an A. Noah got a B. And Brianna got an A star. For computer science, Declan got a B. Noah got a C. And Brianna got an A star. So these rows represent the 2 subjects. We know that in row 0 it represents science. We know that in row 0, column 0, it represents Declan. So Declan in science got an A. Noah in computer science got a B. Sorry, in science got a B. Brianna in science, which is this row, got an A star. When we move on to the next row, it moves on to the next subject. And we then start talking about Declan, Noah, and Brianna again. The final thing we want now, well actually that is it for easy task 2. Easy task 3. Set up a 1D array called song titles. I like to move it. And let's have Mamma Mia. So I'm not as gangster as some of you guys with up-to-date gangster. Oh my god, I feel so old saying that. But it's true. Song details. Our song details is going to basically be a 2D array about each song. So song 1, I like to move it, is going to have artist. I have no idea, so let's do Madagascar. Album, Madagascar 1. Duration, 2 minutes. Notice how it's all the same data type. I might actually just do it as 120 seconds. Song 2, Mamma Mia. Made by ABBA. They're the artist. It comes from the album Mamma Mia Here we go again. That is such a lie. That's a movie, but never mind. And let's say the song was 180 seconds. Done. So, the first song represents the first row. Second song, the second row. This represents the different categories of artist, album title, and duration. And our final one is a ticket system. Not sure for what event. Let's say it's for a concert. So we need ticket ID. Ticket ID 1, 2, 3. 3 different ticket ID numbers. We're then going to have ticket details. Business goods store. So for ticket ID 1, so the person who's got ticket 1 is going to be Joe Smith. Issue description. I have no idea what that even means. So let's say online. They brought it online. Event, football match. Now remember, this is going to be a 2D array, so I really should have done this first. And then I'm going to do a comma. The ticket ID number 2, let's say it was Lewis Smith. They bought it cash, and they're going to see a concert instead. So that is for this ticket number. Ticket number 3, Lewis cash, and they're also going to a football match. Done. Finished.